So, good morning, sir. So, question number 1 is, why do you believe physical conditioning is essential for every law enforcement? So, para sa ako, ang physical conditioning is very important because ang work sa police officer is very challenging every day. Pwede sila moatubang og emergencies like chasing suspect, rescue victims, o protect the community sa atong komunidad. Kung physically fit ang officer, police officer, mas dali nila mabuhat ilang trabaho, dili-dali kapuyon, o mas ready sila sa bisan unsang sitwasyon. For example, suspect nga nidagan ang physically fit nga police officer, mas dali bitaw niya madakop or mahuli. Nya sa question number 2 is, if you became a police officer, how will you physically fitness help you perform duties during emergencies and high-risk operation? If I became a policeman, o ako mahimo kong police pohon, physically fitness will help me to stay strong and focus during emergencies. Kung naisunog or baha or unsa nga mga kalamidad, kinahanglan kusog akong lawas para makatabang sa mga biktima. Sa high-risk operation, kinahanglan ready ko physically o mental aron maka-protection ko sa akong sarili pod, akong kauban ug ang public. Example, kanang during a rescue operation, kinahanglan magdala ko og injured person without giving up easily, nga kanang madala na ko sila ba pasan. And sa question number 3, what are the possible consequences of if a police officer neglects physically conditioning? So, kung ang police officer dili mag-maintain sa iyahang physically fitness, dali siya kapuyon og mahimo hinay ang iyang response, mas taas ang chance nga ma-injured siya o dili makompleto ang iyahang mission. So, pwede po siya magka health problems like obesity, high blood pressure, o heart disease nga makaapekto sa iyang performance. Question number 4, which physical fitness competent do consider the most important for law enforcement officer? So, for me, ang most important good is cardiovascular endurance. Why? Because police officer always need to run, patrol long hours, and respond quickly to emergencies. Kung maayo imong endurance, dili kadali kapuyon, mas makapadayon ka sa imong trabaho bisag stressful ang situation. So, sa question number 5 is, as a future law enforcement officer, what personal commitment will you make to maintain your physical fitness throughout your career? As a future law enforcement officer, libi na akong pangarap ko is gusto maging police. I promise nga mag-exercise ko regularly, mukaon og healthy foods, magkuha og enough sleep, di ko magbilar, og likayan ang bad habits og mga bisyo. I will make physically fitness part of my daily life because I know nga importante para maprotektahan akong sarili og akong mga taong akong giserbisyuhan. Mga kato. Thank you.